pancake batter in this little condiment container. I think I paid $1.39 for it. It works really good to make those little heart shapes for the pancakes. Time to make some pancakes. All right, we're gonna make the pancakes at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna use my griddle and just turn that on. It's gonna just take a minute or so. It heats up pretty quick. And then we'll put a little bit of oil on it and we'll create our pancakes, our heart-shaped pancakes. My griddle's nice and hot. Time to make a heart-shaped pancake, and this is how I do it. So I make my outline and then fill in the center. So what we're looking for when they're ready to be turned is to have these holes that form on the top, and then when you start seeing that little brown crust on the edges, you can peek at them and oh, that looks ready. So now you're just gonna lift it up, turn it over. We'll just give that a minute or so, and when it's brown on the other side, we're all done. All right, let's check underneath. Oh yeah. Nice and brown, nice and fluffy. We're just going to set them right here with the other pancakes. And there's our Valentine heart-shaped pancakes.